Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in my car because we are taking a look at the GETPAIRR Mini 2. In full transparency, this product was sent to me for the purpose of making this video. So this is a wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. So what this is going to allow you to do is to connect to your Apple Play or Android Auto via Bluetooth, and you don't need to actually plug in a USB to your phone. Now this has been really handy because the Mazda CX-5, which I drive here, you can't connect to the Apple Play unless you are connected by USB, and sometimes my phone USB just doesn't work correctly. I don't know why that is, but it is. Comes in a really nice package and it's nice and secure in there, so there's no chance of any damage. Inside you will find the GETPAIRR Mini 2, and you will find a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So if you do have a newer car that only has USB-Cs, you can easily use this as an adapter. It also has an instruction booklet that will show you how to check for adaptability, an overview, and it even has a QR code for video instructions. As you can see, this thing is tiny. It's not even as big as my pinky finger. You just plug this into your USB and then it transmits via Bluetooth. It really is as simple as a plug and play unit. As soon as you plug it in, it will ask you to connect via Bluetooth. All you gotta do is go to your phone, turn the Bluetooth on and find the right connection, pair it, and from that moment on, every time you get in the car and turn your car on, it will automatically connect to your phone. And it does have the exact same screen that would if I connected it via USB. I'm gonna demonstrate a couple of things like music and maps so you can see how good it actually works. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is try the music here. I don't have a touchscreen, so I am using my controls. And as you can see, that is playing off of my phone, no USB. I did want to test it at night. As you can see, it's very stable. There's no jittering, there's no pauses or gaps, and GPS coming from my phone via Bluetooth. You know, sometimes there's some delays, but I didn't seem to get any of that in this test. So I noticed it definitely holds a stable signal. There's no dropping out. It definitely wasn't disconnecting and reconnecting. It stayed connected the whole time. The maps was working good. The music was working good. Just the whole control is very smooth. Some of these Bluetooth connections, they can be very clunky and I don't know how to explain it, but it's just not a smooth operating system. But this one still operated as if it was the actual in-car system. So for a third-party system, that's fantastic. So if you are interested in the GETPAIRR Mini 2, we're gonna leave a link in the description below. You can head over there for some more information or pick one up for yourself. Let me know in the comments what your favorite feature was. Share this with a friend who no longer needs to be using USBs in their car. Hit that like button and subscribe for more great reviews like this. I'll see you in the next one.